Hey everyone, here I have a very clean 2017 Toyota Corolla SE. This vehicle is in excellent shape. It's actually going to come with our Shockley Honda lifetime engine guarantee as well. I actually had a Corolla similar to this. I never had a problem. That thing was solid. So I mean, this thing's going to last you a long time. In the back seat, there's actually tons of space. It's a very a lot of leg room, tall seat, plenty of space for your child seats. You do have your armrest and cup holders back here as well. Up front, you will notice you do have your turn signal mirrors, heated mirrors. You have your push button start as well with your power door locks, windows, and mirrors. You do have some blue contrast piping on the seats throughout the whole interior. It looks pretty good. 47,000 miles on this Corolla. You will notice you do have a multi-function display up here. You do also get pre-collision warning, adaptive cruise control, as well as lane centering. Now right here you will notice you do have your AM, FM, XM, and CD. You do also have your auxiliary and USB right here, so any source you want to play, you can definitely do that. You also do have traffic, weather, and Scout GPS links, so you can actually, have navigation in this vehicle. You also get a sunroof up here. This thing's gonna last you forever. Come check out this Corolla at Shockley Honda, 301-694-5400.